Today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to put a tunnel together. It's very simple. Throughout the whole tunnel, you'll have 1-inch bolts to put it together. Very simple, you can find it in any hardware store. On top of this, there's a nut welded to it. Just screw your bolt into it. Take these two, slide them together until it bottoms out. I like to use a impact with a 1/2 inch attachment on it. If you don't have an impact, you can use a wrench or a socket. It ain't gotta be like too tight, just get it tightened down. Alright, this part, you will most definitely need 2 people for this. I get one person on one side, person on the other side, and then set it into the hole. When you do this, to keep your arch even, I'd recommend trying to go in at the same times with your twist. That way you'll kind of even out. Once you got it set, take your drill again. Putting the arch on. Now, we finished our first section here. Each section consists of 3 arches. Now we're going to try to go into our second section. This is a spacer, it's just a long bar. What you want to do is you want to put it in on this side about 6 inches deep, and then do another 6 inches deep over here. That'll give you a 5-foot spacing. Alright, I'm going to show you using spacers. It's a long pole. You want to get 5 foot of this. So put your center tape on here. Mark 5 foot with your finger. Then have someone help you get it started. You got to make sure you get the bottom and the top started. This can be a little annoying at times, just because it is a tighter fit. Move your forward, Jeremy. Alright. And once you get in here, it could feel like it's impossible to move it. What it is it's binding itself. If this and this are not completely straight, it will be hard to get to go anywhere. So you just gotta kind of work it down that way. You just gotta move it to where you want it. Let's see where we're at. Once you're finished with it, take your measuring tape. You probably went past maybe. Who knows? We're pretty close right there. We're about a 1/2 inch away from 5 foot. To me, I would leave it there, because if you try to play with a 1/2 inch back and forth, you'll be there all day. Okay. To lock this down. Very simple again. 1-inch bolt. Take it, screw it in down here. And there's one under here. Okay. That's how a spacer goes. Just remember, it's a 6-foot long piece. 6 inches here, 6 inches there. You got 5 foot. And that will basically build your next part of the tunnel. You just repeat the same thing over there, and then repeat the same process of putting the arches together and placing them down as you go. Hope this video has been helpful.